Welcome to the video lecture for the subject Textile Science. In this video, we'll be learning about textile fibers. Viscose rayon. Rayon, artificial textile material composed of regenerated and purified cellulose derived from plant sources. Developed in the late 19th century as a substitute for silk, rayon was first man-made fiber. Rayon is described as a regenerated fiber because the cellulose obtained from softwood or from the short fibers that adhere to cotton seeds is converted to a liquid compound squeezed through a tiny holes in a device called spinneret and then converted back to cellulose in the form of fiber. Properties of viscose rayon. Physical properties: moisture absorption. It absorbs more moisture than cotton. Tensile strength. The tensile strength of the fiber is greater when the fiber is dry as compared to its wet state. Action of heat and light. At 300 degree Fahrenheit or more, viscose rayon loses its strength and begins to decompose at 350 to 400 degree Fahrenheit. Prolonged exposure to sunlight also weakens the fiber due to the moisture and the ultraviolet light of the sunlight. Absorbency. Rayon is the most absorbent of all cellulosic fibers, even more so than cotton or linen. Rayon absorbs perceptions and allow it to evaporate away from the skin, which makes it an excellent summer fabric. Abrasion resistance. Its abrasion resistance is very low thanks to the inelasticity of the rayon. It is easily damaged by scraping. Chemical properties. Action of acids. The resistance of regenerated cellulose rayon to acids is generally less than that of cotton. At high temperature and concentration, all acids will destroy or carbonize regenerated rayons. In short, it is damaged by strong acid, but it is moderate with weak acid. Action of bases. Viscose rayon has a good resistance to weak alkalis, but strong alkalis can harm these fibers thoroughly. Action of microorganisms. Microorganisms affect the color, strength, dyeing properties, and luster of rayon. Clean and dry viscose rayon is rarely attacked by mildews. Uses. Rayon typically has an elevated luster quality, giving it a brilliant gloss. Mainly, rayon fibers are used in apparel industries such as aloha shirts, blouses, dresses, jackets, lingers, scarves, suits, ties, hats, and socks. Some rayon fibers are of filling in Zippo lighters, furnishings including bedspreads, bed sheets, blankets, window covers, upholsteries, and slip covers. For industrial purpose such as medical surgery products, non-woven items, tire cords, and some other uses like diapers, towels, feminine hygiene products. Polyester. It is also a man-made fiber. Polyester is very durable and its resistance to many chemicals. This is a popular fabric in fashion industries as it is resistant to shrinking and stretching. It is also resistant to wrinkling and abrasion. The fiber used to create polyesters are very strong yet lightweight. The fibers are easily dyed. It retains its shapes very well. Polyester fabric is easy to look after and it can be washed and dried at home. It is a quick drying fabric, so a popular choice for outdoor clothing. Physical properties. Moisture regains of polyester is low, range between 0.2 to 0.8%. Although polyesters are non-absorbent, they do not have any wicking ability. Heat effect. Polyester fibers shrink from flame and melts, leaving a hard black residue. The fabric burns with a strong pungent odor. Heat setting of polyester fibers not only stabilize the size and shape but also enhance the wrinkle resistance of the fibers. Chemical properties. Effect of alkalis. Polyester fibers have good resistance to weak alkalis at high temperature. It exhibits only moderate resistance to strong alkalis at room temperature and is degraded at elevated temperatures. Effect of acid. Weak acids even at the boiling point have no effect on polyester fibers unless the fibers are exposed for several days. Polyester fibers have good resistance to strong acid at room temperature. Miscellaneous properties. Polyester fibers exhibit good resistance to sunlight and it also resists abrasion very well. Soap, synthetic detergents and other laundry aids do not damage. It absorbs oily materials easily and holds the oil tenaciously. Uses of polyester. Polyesters are widely used in clothing fabrics. Polyester is also employed in the manufacture of many home furnishing materials such as bed sheets, curtains, blankets, and pillowcases. Polyester is also used in upholstery furniture. Polyester is known to play a vital role in the manufacture of certain types of car tire reinforcements. The safety belts that are used in automobiles in order to protect the passengers are often made up of polyesters along with other components. Acrylic. Acrylic fibers are synthetic fibers made from polymers polyacrylonitrile. For a fiber to be called acrylic in US, the polymer must contain at least 85% of acrylonitrile monomer. Properties of acrylic. Physical properties. Length. The length of acrylic fiber can be controlled. That means it may be in filament or staple form. Fineness of this fiber is also controllable. Elasticity. It has an elastic recovery of 85% after 4% extension when the load is extremely released. Chemical properties. Acid. It has good resistance to mineral acid. Alkali. The resistance to weak alkali is fairly good, but hot strong alkali damage this fiber. Solvent. It has excellent resistance to common solvents, oils, grease and natural salts. Of heat and sunlight, this fiber has very good thermal stability. Safe ironing temperature is at 160 degrees Celsius. At 230 to 235 degrees Celsius, acrylic sticks with iron, that is, melting occurs. High temperature may sometimes causes yellowing of these fibers. Effect of biological agents. This fibers is unaffected by mildews, molds, larvae and insects. Uses of acrylic. 100% acrylic is used mainly in sweaters, jersey, knit outerwears, fabric and blankets. It is used as a blend component with cotton, viscose, wool, etc. It has good warmth and recovery property. It is also used for making carpets due to good resiliency property. Nylon. Nylon is the name of a family of synthetic polymers that are commonly used to make varieties of different types of apparel and consumer goods. Unlike other organic or semi-synthetic fibers, nylon fibers are entirely synthetic, which means that they have no basis in organic materials. Properties. Nylon possesses many properties that make it very useful fiber in many applications. It is very strong and elastic. It also easy to wash and can usually be washed with similar items and does not typically require specialty laundering arrangements. Nylon dries rather quickly and remains its shapes rather well after laundering, which ensures longevity of the garment. Nylon fibers is very responsive and resilient as well as relatively resistant to heat, UV rays and chemicals. Uses of nylon. One of the most common use of nylon is in women's stockings and hosieries. It is also used as a material in dress, socks, swimwear, shorts, track pants, activewears, draperies and bedspread. Less frequently encountered uses include flax vest, parachute, combat uniforms, and life vest. The fibers is also often used in manufacturing umbrellas, luggage, and the netting for bridal wheels. Glass fiber. A fiberglass is a form of fiber reinforced plastic where glass fiber is the reinforced plastic. This is the reason perhaps why fiberglass is also known as a glass reinforced plastic or glass fiber reinforced plastic. The glass fiber is usually flattened into a sheet randomly arranged or woven into a fabric. According to the use of the fiberglass, the glass fibers can be made of different types of glass. Fiberglass is lightweight, strong, and less brittle. The best part of fiberglass is its ability to get molded into various complex shapes. This pretty much explains why fiberglass is widely used in bathtubs, boats, aircrafts, roofing, and other applications. Spandex. Man-made fibers are gaining popularity compared to the natural fibers in recent times. Spandex is lightweight, soft, smooth synthetic fibers which has unique elasticity. Due to its elastic property, it is used in making stretchable clothing. It is also known as elastane in Europe and many other parts of the world. Spandex is made of synthetic polymers called polyurethane which has extraordinary stretch ability. The long chains of polymers is produced by reacting polyester with diisocyanate which contains at least 85% of polyurethane. Spandex is short, durable and was first invented at DuPont Laboratory in 1959 in Virginia. Asbestos. All are composed of long and thin fibrous crystals, each fiber being composed of many microscopic fibrils that can be released into the atmosphere by abrasion and other processes. Asbestos is an excellent electrical insulator and is highly heat resistant, so for many years it was used as a building material. Metal fiber. Metallic fibers are manufactured fibers composed of metallic alloys. It has plastic coated metals, metal coated plastics, or a core completely covered by metal, having their origin in textiles and clothing applications, gold and silver fibers. It has been used since ancient times as yarns for fabric decoration. Thank you.